أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our today topic is what is a stop? A stop or a waqf in Quran. During recitation, if we stop anywhere, that is called a waqf or stop. Let's find it out what it means. You can see this page. For example, if we start from here, this place, we are reading till there without any pause. So that is a stop. If we start from this point and ends here, so it means that this one will also be called a stop. I hope you get what is a stop. The stop rules apply on all the 16 signs we already learned in the previous videos. You can check in the channel. I have made a folder which is called signs, or I will try to pin in the comment section. So on all the 16 signs, the stop rules apply. If there is fathatain at the time of stop, then we will read it like alif madda. Normally we read it abadan, but when it comes at the stop, so we will read it like abada. Same here, suhufan, we will change it tanween fatha like suhufa, wasatun, wasato, inaban, inaba. All the fathatain will change into alif madda. We know that there are 16 signs. We have learned the rule of one sign. Now there are 15 signs remaining. 8 signs at the time of stop we change into jazm or sukoon. For example, if there is a fatha at the time of stop, so we will change it into jazm. Normally we read it akhadha, but at the time of stop we read it like akhaz. Qalami, the kasra will change into jazm or sukoon, so we read it like qalam. So 8 sign will change into jazm or sukoon. Fatha, kasra, damma, shad, double kasra, double damma, inverted damma, standing kasra. All these signs will change into jazm. You can see this one and you can read it like if there is amalin, so we will read it amal, sururun, surur, bihi will change into bih. Double fatha will change into alif madda, 8 sign will change into jazm. So 8 plus 1, 9, 7 signs remains. Vowlin, yalin. Alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. Jazm and standing over the dagger fatha. We will make no change in them. We read them as it is at the time of stop. For example, this vowlin is at the time of stop. So we will read it like taw, no change. Tai, no change. Fiha, no change. Qalu, Rabbi, Alqat, Qala, no change in these 7 signs. The last rule of the stop sign is if there is a ta, round ta, then we change it into round ha. For example, this letter, this word is at the time of stop. Normally we read it barara tin. But what will we do? We won't read it sign, we won't read it dot, and we will make it ha join with previous letter. Bararah, bararah, raqabah. No, no sign we will read, no dot we will read. No sign we will read, no dot we will read. Safarah, qatarah, lumazah, nakhirah. I hope you got the point. There are 16 signs at the time of stop, we change them. If there is double fatha, we will change it into like Alif madda. 8 signs we change them into jazm or sukoon. Fatha, kasra, damma, shad or tashdid, double kasra, double damma, inverted damma, standing kasra. We change these signs into jazm. 7 signs will remain same at the time of stop. No change in them. Waw lean, ya lean. Alif madda, waw madda, ya madda, jazm, standing fatha. No change in these signs at the time of stop. If there is a round ta, we will change round ta into ha, round ha. We won't read its sign, we won't read its stop. One more thing, if there is this word like ana, so we read it without the alif. If there is this word but without joining of the any other letter, there are only some of the words where we read it full like anamila, anasiya, anaba, anabu, lil anami. Except these words, if it is alone, so we won't read the alif of this one. We will read alif, hamza and noon like ana. We will read it like this. Ana, not ana, but ana. In the Surah Al-Kafirun, we read it like قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم. We don't read ana, we read it ana, ana. I hope you got everything. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.